Hi guys, padong namin sa simbahan day. Kami kuyugan ng Mascareñas.
Hello guys, we are currently here in Minglanilla Church. Did you know that on October 30, 1857, the parish of Minglanilla was established? This Gothic church was built in 1880. Until 1886, it was officially proclaimed Archdiocesan Shrine by Cebu Archbishop Ricardo Cardinal Vidal during the annual fiesta of the Immaculate Heart of Mary on August 23, 2007. O karon, padong nila mi managkot nga unta kaloy-an mi sa Ginoo, gaan mi dakong grado. Nisud na dayon mi sa simbahan. Mauna ang mga arch sa simbahan nga dugay na kaayo. Nagampo na dayon mi. Maura to, bye-bye. Peace.